In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Google Play System. Keeping your Google Play System up to date is important because these updates help improve security, stability, and overall performance on your Android device. The exact menu names can vary a little depending on your phone brand, but the process is usually very similar. To begin, open your System Settings app and go to the section called My Phone, or the equivalent device information section on your phone. On some devices, this area may also be labeled something like About Phone or Device Info. If you don't see the exact same wording, just look for the section that shows details about your phone and software version. Once you're there, tap on Android version. This will take you into a screen that shows more detailed information about the operating system currently installed on your device. This area is helpful because it often includes the Android version, security details, and access to system-level update options. Next, while you're in the Android version section, tap Google Play System Update. This is the option that checks for updates specifically related to Google Play System components. It's different from a full Android system update, so even if your phone software is already current, there still may be a Google Play System update available. After tapping that option, your device will check for updates. If an update is available, go ahead and download and install it. Depending on the size of the update and your internet connection, this may take a few moments. It's a good idea to stay connected to Wi-Fi and make sure your battery has enough charge before installing any update, just to avoid interruptions. When the installation is complete, you may be prompted to restart your device. If that happens, restart your phone to finish applying the update properly. This final step is important because some changes won't fully take effect until the device reboots. And that's it. That's how you update the Google Play System on your Android device. If your phone says it's already up to date, then no further action is needed. You can check again later since these updates are released periodically. Following this process every so often is a simple way to make sure your device stays secure and runs smoothly.